The cheat code I know at 24 that I wish I knew at age 17. Today is day 35 of Project Dream Life, and today I just want to share to you a cheat code I discovered at 24 that would have transformed my life if I'd known it at 17. Tapusin mo yung video, kailangan mong marinig yung dulo. First, quality and quantity. Forget the myth that you must choose one. Embrace both. The more you create, the better you get. If magkakaroon ako ng chance, magsosorry talaga ako sa younger self ko. Sa dami ng mga ideas na naiisip niya, but I tend not to do it because first, I think di ako magaling and kulang ako sa kaalaman. If I only knew that the best thing to do is to start, siguro mas naging ahead ako when it comes to experience and learning na additional sa kung ano yung alam ko ngayon. Second, give value freely. When you provide real value, without expecting anything in return, people will naturally want to reciprocate, and yun yung magiging gateway para makapag-open ng mas madami pang opportunity sa'yo. The more na nakikita nila yung hunger mo and dedication sa trabaho, mas madaming opportunity talaga yung mag-open para sa'yo. And third is commit for a year focus on one thing for a full year. Consistency is the key. Mastering any skills and achieving success is not overnight. So don't expect na immediately makikita mo na agad yung results. Just focus on improving one day at a time. Just stay consistent, show up, and keep it going until makuha mo na yung momentum and yung tamang timpla for your success. So what's stopping you? Start applying these principles today. When I start this journey, last month, wala talaga akong equipment. Gamit ko lang is my old phone na naglalag na sa dami na din ng files and photos and recent apps na ginagamit ko sa work. Wala din akong background, lights, microphone, and gaming chair. Wala pa din akong laptop nung mga time na yon. But I still managed to release video on my first 2 weeks by just simply capitalizing kung ano lang yung meron ako. Then kumita tayo sa ibang side hustles natin, and I managed to build a mini studio para mas maging professional yung setup ko. Mahalaga na nag-upgrade tayo kasi yan yung gusto ng mga tao. Kapag low quality yung video mo and maingay yung background, auto-scroll agad sila. Kaya ang mahalaga, mag-invest sa mga gamit. You can check my yellow basket. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Follow for day 36. And as always, I'm rooting for you.